Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Za'atar salmon on a sheet pan with vegetables. It's a one pan bake, it's fantastic. If you like salmon as much as I do, you're gonna love this. It's also super easy to clean up after. My sister also really likes salmon, and it's unfortunate that her husband doesn't, so whenever we hang out, we try to make salmon as often as possible. So let's get started. Make sure that you have all the ingredients out in front of you so you don't have to scramble. This one doesn't have a whole lot to chop up, so you should be good. And you also want to line that sheet pan with foil for easy cleanup. You want to start by chopping your vegetables, so broccoli, those little waxy potatoes, and cherry tomatoes. They make a really, really awesome combination because when you roast broccoli, it gets really crispy, but when you roast tomatoes, they get really soupy, and everything just kind of melds together. Don't forget to preheat your oven at 400 degrees before you start chopping. You also want to start mincing up some garlic. I love a really garlicky vegetable bake. And don't forget to get some fresh herbs for this. There's just something about fresh dill and salmon. Those flavor combinations go so well together. I just like having fresh dill in my kitchen anyway. I love putting it on eggs. Okay, so then you want to be adding the herbs, the garlic. Have a little off to the side because you're going to want to add some to the salmon as well. And then slice up a lemon because you're going to shingle those lemon slices on top of the salmon. So as it bakes, it gets nice and juicy and lemony. Then you want to add your dried Za'atar seasoning. Za'atar seasoning has sort of like a lemony sesame flavor to it. It works really well with salmon and vegetables. You also want to be rinsing and drying off your salmon and cutting them into fillets. Now, you should have a deboned salmon, but occasionally I will find a pin bone in my salmon, so make sure that you're watching out for those. And you want to add your leftover herbs, your seasoning, and shingle those lemon slices on top of the salmon fillets. Give those vegetables a toss as well. Okay, now we want to put the sheet pan in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 to 16 minutes. Keep an eye on it. If your salmon is a little thinner, like in this case, you will see a little bit more of that white albumin that pops up. It's totally edible. It's just some people just don't like the look of it. So just that happens when you overcook your salmon just a bit. Then you want to start assembling your plate. Grab those vegetables off the sheet pan, layer on your salmon, give your plate a little bit of a cleanup, and you're ready to take a picture. Another squeeze of lemon too if you like it. Look at that! Yum, so good. I hope you enjoy this recipe. It's super easy. I make it a lot, especially when I have any last minute dinner guests. It's a crowd pleaser. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel, say hi to me in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.